Solga, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 20th question from the Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1, number 20 reads, what choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? When I would ask you that question, you want to look at the answer choices first, because you want to ask yourself particular questions based on what those answer choices say. When I look at these answer choices, I see a period in answer choice C, and so what do I ask myself? I ask myself, is there an independent clause before and after that period? If there is, then A is going to be wrong because it's a fused sentence. You've got two independent clauses with no punctuation at all. B is going to be wrong because it's comma splice, because a comma alone cannot combine two independent clauses. And D would be wrong because when you use a conjunction to combine two independent clauses, you need a comma before it. Let's see if we've got two independent clauses here. The first computerized spreadsheet, Dan Bricklin's VisiCalc, improved financial record keeping not only by providing users with an easy means of adjusting data in spreadsheets, but also by automatically updating all calculators that were dependent on these adjustments. Could that be its own sentence? Yes, it can. So the subject is spreadsheet, the verb is improved. You could take out Dan Bricklin's VisiCalc, and it is a complete thought, which is a little bit more abstract. You'd have to be able to determine that. Let's read from prior to the end and see if that could be its own sentence. Prior to VisiCalc's release, changing a paper spreadsheet often required redoing the entire sheet by hand, a process that could take days. Could that be its own sentence? Yes, it can. The subject is actually changing, and the verb is required, and that also is a complete thought. So, if you got two independent clauses, it's going to be answer choice C. Once again, A is wrong, it's a fused sentence. We've got two independent clauses, no punctuation at all. B is wrong, it's a comma splice. A comma alone cannot combine two independent clauses. D is wrong because we need comma before the conjunction and in order to combine those two independent clauses. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has some trouble identifying independent clauses, or who doesn't know to look at the answer choices first. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Also, check out our 1-minute video. And actually up here you'll also see there's going to be another question that has a period combining two independent clauses. To see the 1-minute videos, go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, and then click on the playlist. You'll find, once you find your test and module number, the shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. And have a great day.